Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix S2, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly, you will have to open phone application, then go tap on the gear icon to open its settings, then go to the Blacklist, and here you can block numbers. For example, go to the block numbers, tap add, then you can just add a phone number, like enter number here which you want to block, tap OK, and then this number will never call you again. You can also just add a prefix to your number and all the numbers with this prefix will be blocked. And you can also select a number from contact list and block it like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.